Hi, Sonny. Nice to
Hello.
meet you at
Nice to
TPS
meet you
today.
here.
How is business? Or how is the show going?
Yes, good.
It's good?
Very busy.
Yeah. I see you guys have the new VP Prime, Vista Primes, or Vision Prime, sorry.
Vision Prime. Yes.
Tell me about these lenses.
The Vision Prime is full frame, super fast T1.4
I can see that, yeah?
Cine lenses.
T1.4 to T16. What was the reason for bringing this out?
Because we already released the Nightwalker series, fast aperture Cine lens before. So actually, we also want to bring out something in
For full frame, yeah. I noticed it has some adapters. Tell me about these adapters.
Yep. So the idea for this kind of Cine lens, we want to give like the future value for our customer.
Yeah.
Because when you buy one of this lens, it also come with three adapter
Adapters,
rings,
yeah.
so you can use in 4 different kind of camera system.
Would I need shrimps to nudge
No.
it to fit?
No, so that's very easy to change for different mount because you don't need to do any streaming.
Oh, that's really good. So you have it. You can. This is E mount. I can see.
Yep, the
So
E
you can
mount.
do E mounts, which other mount?
Canon RF mount,
RF mount,
Nikon
okay.
Z mount, and
yeah.
also Leica L mount as well.
Like an L mount, which that's really good. So what's the range? I see 35. I also see 24,
Yep, and also a 50.
50. Any plans for like a 75, 85?
Yep, we have a plan for a longer one and also a wide angle one
Wide,
as well.
wide angle. Which
Yep.
one? 28, 20, 25, 24?
It's 15.
15.
Yeah.
Oh, because this is 24.
Yep.
So a 15 millimeter full frame coming
Yep.
out soon. What's the focus through on this?
270 is quite standard.
170.
Yep.
And there is 67, so you can adapt. You can put different kind of ND filters on this.
Yep, that's right.
And you can expand. Is it possible to get an adapter that has a filter at the back with this lens?
No, this one is not designed for.
Not this one. What's the price and how soon can we start buying these?
For now, we're running a Kickstarter campaign. For this one, is each lens is 549.
549.
For the whole set is 1,599, including 3 focus lens.
Well, thank you very much. I also see you have the anamorphics.
Yep.
You released the 40 millimeter
Yep.
anamorphics 1.2.
Yep, the 40 millimeter it's already
Autofocus,
released before. Autofocus,
Yeah.
and now we bring out the wide
20.
angle one, 20 millimeter.
I like how smooth.
Actually, the size for this one is smaller compared to the 40. It's
Yeah.
only 480 gram.
Tell me something. Is this full frame or APS-C?
This one is super certified format designed for, but you still can use this one in a full frame.
Full frame.
It just have a very little amount of re-adding.
Any plans for a full frame version?
Yeah, I think so.
Coming
Yeah.
soon.
Yeah.
How much can you get this for?
For this one, we also have an Indiegogo campaign now.
Okay.
It's cost 679
It feels very, very light and smaller compared to
to the 40.
the 40 centimeters.
Yep.
What's the coating on this lens? The front coating?
It's a multiple nano coating.
Nano coating.
Yeah.
So fringing is controlled. How is the focus breathing on this?
For breathing for anamorphic lens, that's
Yeah.
very quite common.
It's common.
Yes.
It's common. Yeah. All right, thank you, Sonny.
Okay, thank you so much.